We just finished posterior cervical laminectomy and instrumented fusion from C3 to T2 about 2 hours ago, right? Hour and a half, 2 hours ago, we rolled out of the operating room. Where are you going?
Satellite Beach home.
You going home?
Yeah.
You're not going to a nightclub?
No. Strip club.
A strip club,
No,
okay.
I'm messing with you back.
All right, so before you can go home, we have a little tradition, right? And I know that you Italians, you're
Right.
Italian, right?
Yeah.
You guys know how to dance. Can you show us some dance moves before you go?
I can do the mummer strut.
All right, he usually does the waltz and the merengue, but we'll give him a break today. So, how you feeling?
I feel good, Doc.
All right, are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
All right, sir. You take care. We'll check on you tomorrow.
I'll see you in a week.
And Augusto will see you tomorrow, and you'll see me in 1 week. That's
All right.
correct. All right, thank you.
Thank you so much, Doc.
Take care, sir.